It was a great day, was not it? You have already made the best of this day. You have lived this day fully. You have utilized your energies properly. You got up early in the morning and lived day nicely. The chances are that you are tired or you may not be tired. So now it's time to relax and enjoy a good sleep. For this, you should keep yourself away from a screen a few hours before sleep. You have to give your body your full rest. You have to give your body full rest and you have to relax. Take stock of the day, what you did and what you could not. Note down, plan for for tomorrow in order of importance. Take a few relaxing breaths. Thank God for this day and express your gratitude. Do not allow worries and unfinished tasks to bother you. Note down to take them up tomorrow in order of importance. You have lived your day, tomorrow is another day, and it will take care of itself. Good night.